Hello guys, I'm a Helen Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has changed the password of your Gmail ID. You have forgot your Gmail password. Now you don't have access to other recovery email and recovery phone numbers. Or of course in these tutorials may be useful in case someone is hacked your Gmail ID. Now you don't have access to a recovery email and recovery password and recovery phone numbers. We will see how do you rescue live here. This ID has been recommended by one viewer and we would like to recover live here. So see guys, we are facing this kind of the issues that we couldn't sign in. Just we will click on a next and see here. Now it's asking a password, or we can, if we have password we can go for next, or if I try another way then what will happen. Now it's asking a phone number. We don't have a phone number, so tap on it. Now it's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be the chosen that this account is mine. Now what can I do? Yes, to recover your account, so try again and answer is question shows. If I click multiple times here, try again and again, and if I face this kind of the issues again and again, so then of course another platform will be open when more than 5 times we will do here. Then there we will have to provide via alternative emails with document legal identity on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is yours or not. If it is, then of course you will have an opportunity to create the strong password on particular email and to add the recovery email and recovery phone number. But total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours. In that conditions, it may much more times. So quickly, if you would like to have a especially result or corollary or of course consequences, then let's come by this way. Got it from here, and we will have to come to the Play Store. In the Play Store we will have to write stay browser all in once. Very simple. Just it hasn't started to install, so let it install. On the other hand, of course we will come now Google product and Z browser, hold it, and of course click on especially icons, and upon of course what we will have to do now, we will have to go for notification, make it blocks, and after that of course we will have to come the permissions too. Of course we will have to go for location not in file, just we will come in locations. In locations, of course we will have to make it the precise location off, and click on don't allow and click don't allow anyway. We will have to back one more time guys, and here this we will have to go for off. Now we will cut it from here. Once again we have another product of Google, that is a Chrome, as we know that. Just we will have to hold that, and of course we will come here and upon yes, we will tap on a notifications 2 times, so it will be a blocks, and of course we will come the permissions. Sorry, let me come the permissions. In the permission, of course we'll have to make it off and come in the locations, click on the precise location off, click on allow, don't allow, so no longer function as intended of this Chromes. Now we will have to of course open this Steve browser, and very simple, and of course here just we will have to type in a search bar google.co.in. let's see. Of course we will come now this one's google.co.in. of course we will write Google. Now see its openings, translator maybe later, and now see. Now we are here. Still it's taking time, so we will come now google.co.in guys. google.co.in we will go for now it's open guys. Here what we will do, Simply we will come and sign in. Don't click on here, just here. Now we will have to write here this email that we would like to recover. Let's see. Now we will go for next. Now ahead we will go for forgot password, guys. I'm taking much more time here, guys. Just click here, don't have phone number. Now here the two options: answer as many questions you can use the device when you have the sign before. Third option, that's more tips to recover your accounts. More tips means don't click on a try again, and if you do here again and again, so then Google will track. So that's why I'm trying to recover some particular item that doesn't belong to me. That's why via different browser I'm trying to get it back. So don't make a stupid here things. Just we will cut it from here, and then of course we will come in more tips to recover by coming in a setting, guys, and see here what will happen. We have one Google service options. In Google service, of course we will come in a help icon, and then of course we will come in a help, and here we will come in a consign in your accounts, and here actual problem we will have to explain that someone else is using. Now we will back here. No, we will have to wait here, guys, a little bit. Now we will go for secure my accounts. Let's click on here. Now see here we have a account review your account activities. Find out if your account has been hacked. Now here just we will come in a recovery page. Now here the once again, let's say it's openings. Now here what we will have to do, just simply, guys, see G browser has been opened here. Now here what we will have to do, just simply we will write, and before the going there, just to see, guys, let me confirm. I'm not sure that if I come the Chrome's do of course hold it, and of course here we will have to come there, and apps browser, this ones we will have to make it here, this ones then. Now once again we will have to proceed the whole procedure, guys. Come in the settings. See here I suspected that this browser is not a proper functioning, so now we will come in here service. In service of course we will have to come to here help, and here now that we are on here review your account activities, and now here once again we will click on this page. So now see this page is opening here. Now here what we will have to do, this browser is history browser is now working, so just we will write here, and of course we will go for here. Let's see, now we will go for next. Now see, guys, here directly we would be here. Now we have to do nothing, just don't click on continue, otherwise of course you will trap in it's verify you. So in that condition just we will go for never, and we will go for change the password. Don't go for here continue also, just we will have to go for change the password, and yeah, we will have the strong opportunity to create the password here, guys. Now see, easily you can create this strong password here, and after creating a strong password, change the click here, and thereupon of course come in the security center of a specialist email, and they add recovery email and recovery phone number, so that this kind of the incident won't be repeated again. Right now on the live screen, especially we cannot create here this strong the password, because this would be in a public domain, so that's why security concern, guys. But this is all about in this video tutorial. So by similar strategy you can apply and you can recover it. So thank you very much indeed. For the main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box. And for any assistance, of course, raise the query below. And of course, ask the question below the comment box. And any viewer who would like to recommend it to other couples his ID, then leave the especially your ID below the comment source within 10 minutes, of course. When I will have the time, so then I will recover to you and I will deliver to you. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you. And one thing more, this is only one institution purpose, education purpose. These tricks don't apply for everyone's. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.